Hello. Today morning I received this desktop. The complaint for this desktop is not booting. This is hard disk area and showing you front area of the system. This is front area. And there are two media. This is the hard disk, 1 TB hard disk, and this is SSD, 240 GB Western Digital SSD SATA. The Windows was in this media and the customer data was in this media hard disk. I am backup all the data from the SSD to another hard disk and installed new Windows 10 in this SSD. Now I will go to fitting this media into the computer, and after backup all I will show you Windows is running. Thank you for watching video. If you need to repair your device like laptop or desktop computer, then please contact us with this number which is appear in the screen. Thank you.